Now let's try to demonstrate some basic DOS commands. We will open the DOS prompt using the CMD text, which is um, and here we are brought in the default directory, directory C users under user folder. Now we are going to shift to the other directory like drive D. So we are now at drive D. Now let's try to display the content of drive D. So we have here dir. Now to display the folders and files in this directory D, we have to use the tree command. So just like the file explorer, it shows the tree structure in this directory. Um, since we have several contents in this directory D, it takes time to display the tree-like structure of the directory D. Now we have here the tree-like structure of directory D. We want to get inside the folder named UC. Again, to show the folders we have here. Then if you want to get inside UC folder, so the command is cd and the folder name is UC. Now we are currently in drive D under folder UC. So in UC folder, let's try to display the contents. Okay. Now, for example, we have to create a folder here named by our name. For example, and let's try to verify using the dir command. Okay, so we have here Jessica Reyes. Take note if the folder name that we want to create contains a white space character, so we must enclose it in double quote. Now, inside this folder, okay, it has the autocomplete feature also, just like, wait, let us go back to the previous directory. For example, I want to get inside Jessica Reyes. So typing the first few letters of the folder that I want to manipulate and pressing the tab, it will autocomplete. Okay, and display the folders having the first three letters. Now, for example, I'm going to create folder named prelim, term, semifinal, and final. And try to verify. So we have the 4 newly created folders. Now, we want to rename this semifinal to one word, just removing the dash. So the keyword is ren space the current folder name space semi final. Then display. Now, there you go. Now, for example, to remove a directory, so rd will be used like rd prelim. Try to verify. Now prelim folder has been removed. The del command will be used to delete a file. Okay, now for example, we are going to open an application and create file there. So say for example, inside the midterm folder, we need to create a file using the application Notepad and create a file named like employee.txt. So it will open the application and ask you that you want to create a new file. So yes, sample employee. Save. Now verifying that the newly created file is in this current directory. Now we have here. Now, for example, we're going to copy this employee.txt to the other folder. So the command is copy the source directory, which is in drive D, but okay, we need to enclose the source directory within a double quote. But first, we have to specify the directory duc Jessica Reyes midterm. Then the file name is employee.txt and the destination is duc then Reyes. For example, semifinal. Now, there are times that we can encounter this error that the system cannot find the file specified. Now, let's try to enclose the destination and the source directory in a double quote. And the source directory, so we have here, it's successfully copied into the semifinal directory. Let's try to verify. Then go to semifinal and dir. Okay, so we have here employee.txt. Okay, just to show the current files that we created, and it's here. Okay, since we are showing the tree command, so all the tree-like structure in this directory D is being displayed. Okay, now let's try to get inside and let's try to delete a folder. Okay, so dir, and let's try to delete the midterm folder. Take note, midterm folder is not empty. And let's try to remove the directory midterm. It doesn't proceed since it is being used by the other process. So the file employee.txt is being opened by an application, so we cannot proceed. And now that an error of the directory is not empty, so we cannot remove a folder which is not empty.